Samsung has just launched the Galaxy A56, yet leaks about its successor, the Galaxy A57 5G, are already making waves. So, what can we expect from Samsung's next mid-range smartphone? The Galaxy A57 5G is rumored to bring several upgrades over its predecessor. While the design may remain similar, Samsung is expected to refine the build quality with premium materials and a sleeker finish. The display is likely to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. Under the hood, Samsung might equip the Galaxy A57 5G with the latest Exynos or Snapdragon mid-range processor, enhancing both performance and efficiency. With at least 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, users can expect seamless multitasking. The device is also anticipated to run One UI 7, based on Android 15, offering new software enhancements and AI-powered features. In terms of cameras, Samsung may introduce an improved 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, delivering sharper photos and better low-light performance. The ultra-wide and macro sensors could also receive minor upgrades, making the camera setup more versatile across different shooting conditions. Battery life has always been a strong suit for the Galaxy A series, and the A57 5G is expected to house a 5,000 mAh battery, sufficient to last a full day even with heavy usage. Samsung might also enhance the device's durability, potentially adding Gorilla Glass protection and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. For security, an in-display fingerprint sensor and Samsung Knox integration are likely to be included, ensuring robust data protection. As for pricing and launch details, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to debut in early 2025, with a price similar to the A56. If these rumors hold true, the A57 5G could be one of the best value-for-money smartphones in the mid-range segment. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy A57 5G? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing